That sounds good. Hi, my name is Hector from New York Green Health, and I am going to teach you guys how to roll your own CBD pre-roll joints. As you can see, I've started off here. I have already started grinding up some bud, and it's very simple and it's very easy. You can use any size grinder; it does not matter. I'm actually using a little miniature grinder, three-stage, pretty cool. And we're just gonna simply show you exactly how to do it. So what I have here, we don't have any rolling papers. Oh, we're gonna use these. All right, awesome. We're gonna use a package here. It's very simple and very easy. Do not think of it as a chore or a task that you have to do it. I find it very simple to roll your own instead of asking your neighbor or your friends or your family for that matter. So very simple, very easy. You will take your rolling paper, make sure it's a nice, decent shape. And I like to just simply put it in, get it all nice and flowy in there. Now your rolling paper is going to come with a tube. Tube is used to push it down. That way you get yourself a nice, tight, packed CBD joint. Most people prefer to actually use it for, afterwards. They kind of put all their CBD in there and then they pack it down. I like to do a little bit at a time just so I know exactly how much I'm putting in, especially when you're making it appeasing to customers, so to speak. And we're just going to take it and put it in. It's a very simple process. I promise you, after you are done watching this video, you are going to know how to simply roll your own. And then you'll never, ever, I guarantee you, have to ask your friends how to roll a joint ever again. So once you get it all nice and packed in there, and by all means, it's rolling paper, people. Do not be afraid. It's all going to burn the same exact way when you're done with it. And me personally, when I'm smoking it, I like to enjoy it, so I like to pack as much in there as I can, just so you get the feeling. And you also get a good, really, really good use of all the paper being used, not just getting halfway down. I've had some pretty bad ones in my day. But I think we all have, haven't we? So, we're just going to get it all nice and packed in there. And you can always use the room. Do not be afraid to push it down. Do not be afraid. Use all the room you can get. Because I tell you what, every little bit is going to help you out. I promise you, it's going to look amazing by the time it's done. And only because I got skills, so. Let's get it all nice and packed. I do like to leave a little bit at the end open because that is going to be your twist. So you're basically going to take it and you're going to fold down on all the sides, holding it, and twist. And ladies and gentlemen, you have a pre-rolled CBD joint. Perfect.
So, what consistency should the CBD flour be when they roll it?
So the consistency for the CBD flour should you can grind it up. I like to grind it up. I also prefer, do not put your stems in there. Do not put seeds in there. It's not gonna be great. But for the consistency, you kind of want to just leave it as is once you take it out the grinder. People like to play with it. The more you play with it, the less you're gonna get from it. So, just try to, when you pack it, whenever you're picking it up, just try to make sure, you pick it up and you put it in your joint. And
what flour are you using?
So I am using a brand called Lifter. Very, very potent. It is a 22% CBD level. Very great, very beautiful.
Now, does this stuff get you high?
This stuff will not get you high. So you are going to get a body high. So your body is going to relax and you're going to feel like you're on top of the world without the head high, without the munchies, and you're also going to feel like you can do anything.
What do people use it for?
People normally use it for anxiety. People use it for sleeping at night. Some people use it for other reasons, as to being in the military or having some sort of post-traumatic stress disorder where they have to have it. Generally, we find that people normally use it at night when they're going to sleep, just so they can kind of relax. And it not only helps you fall asleep, but it also helps you stay asleep as well. So it's a pretty good use for it.
Do I have to roll it, or do you sell it already rolled, or how do you sell it?
So you can buy the loose flour. As you can see here, we already have prepackaged 1 gram containers. You can buy this and you can grind them up and you can roll it yourselves. Or what we have here are we have already pre-rolled joints that you can purchase from us. And it's already done and rolled and loved with care, so you're all set to go. All you gotta do is light up and enjoy.
Cool. Where are you? Where do I buy these?
So we are located on 2 Kogan Avenue inside of Premier Vapors. You can definitely come in. I will be here, or my buddy Damien will be here, and we will be more than happy to help you out.
Cool. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate
You're very
that.
welcome. You guys have a great day.